Hello, I'm yt-dlp and welcome to my new video. I just want to introduce you my new script which allows you to watching your favorite YouTube videos without any advertisement, and you can run the video comfortable from your shell. So let's look at it. You can download it really easy using wget and save it, for example, like ht. And after downloading it, just chmod it to get run it, install some dependencies, um, like that. I've already have them, so cancel it. And no sudo. After that, you can just run it by like a normal script. You get really fancy start screen where you can just do everything you need, like basic things, like search YouTube video. What can we search? Like, I hate cell phones. It's like, I hate it. And let's wait till the YouTube web gets load. And now you can see really nice I'll results we found. Now you can search in this results. Just writing it's fuzzy finder. It's like common program. Let's cell phones. Yeah, it's again here. And I like this because it's from like Smith and he has really good options about what. So you use arrows and enter escape to navigate in this, and with shift you navigate in the second panel where you can read all the description. Let's look at the video. When you open the video page, you again can read the description with shift, and you see the image really large, but I don't know how large terminal you open. So just you can apply it, add or remove to queue to see it later, or download it to see it even if you didn't have internet in your way or something, like watch it in your in train while you are traveling somewhere. So let's download it. It will take a while, maybe 30 seconds. It will be fast. The video is downloaded and we are back on the video page. We can also unsubscribe and subscribe the author or watch his other videos. So let's look at his other videos. It's really the same interface as before. It's just not searching all YouTube, it's just looking on his channel. So here is this nice boy. You can see a preview and you can read what he write here about the video. So let's return by escape, and if you are back on the video page, we can just play it by hitting play. It will connect to the API and load it and open it in MPV player. It's really good because I like MPV because you can control it via keyboard and like everything, and it also downloads the subtitles for you, so you can choose which language do you want and switching between them. I just forgot the hotkey for switching them, so I need to use a mouse, but you can do it by keyboards, which is really nice. So Q to quit and return to the video. So let's return to the main menu and let's look what next we have. We have watch queue where the video we click watch later is saved. Also we have subscription where you see like any channel you have just subscribe, and you have like description. You can open it as we did it before with Looksmith, and that's all. Also here is you can enter a video rule to watch video you get for someone, or you can look on video we just download like here, and this video will go directly from home. As you see, it's really like open immediately, which is really nice. It's saved on my hard drive on the folder I specified. Really cool. And as you can see, I have another video saved for the long way to Prague. Yeah. And the thing I use on YouTube a lot is subscription feed, because you see every new video from your subscriber on this main page, and it will take a while because it needs to open each channel and download new videos. But after this, you see like videos sorted by time, and you can open it, and it's the same as the like subscription feed on the YouTube, because the main page doesn't work on YouTube for me, because I have turned off the history, and so I was using this before, but the YouTube sucks as much as it can, because it stopped playing videos for me, like completely. So I was forced to make this, and I am really happy about it, because it brings a lot of new features to terminal, and it's like the things I am most excited about is that it run completely without a Google account. So you don't need to have an account to save your subscription in a file and watch all their videos. So I'm really happy about this. I am happy with sharing this with you. All the necessary download links and install commands are in description. And there is just one thing leaving I should do, and it's to say goodbye YouTube, I don't need you anymore. And I hope I don't see you Google for a long time. And yeah, do it this way. If you don't like somebody to force you to watching advertisement or doing something you don't want to do, just don't do it. Do it by yourself. Just found a workaround and use it, and be happy with your solution. So see you next time. I am happy to share this with you, and looking forward to see you again. Bye.